thank you. Yeah, we really appreciate you guys helping with the situation.
Alright.
Wow.
Look. Oh, shoot, honey. Sorry. I was not supposed to pull it out. Wait.
Yeah.
Wow.
Do something.
Now he's looking inside for the bread. Eric, look. Wait, close your eyes. Close your eyes. Put the skinny corn in. Open it up. What is it?
Wow.
It's a butterfly can.
Cool.
You catch bugs. Catch butterflies.
And frogs.
And frogs, yeah.
Wow, look at this. See? Awesome. Now, that's all. Man, they almost look identical now.
From certain perspectives, yeah.
Yeah.
Whoa, everything with the sticker on it, he used basically like a sticker and he
Oh, cool. What you got there? Is
Yeah, it looked harmless. I didn't think you could hurt anybody with that one.
Oh, yeah, that looks tangled.
Monopoly game.
I like the idea of, the 1s and the 5s and the 10s and the 20s.
That's awesome. Put it on your